Welcome back, Financially Fit family. Austin here again for my weekly segment to give you the Financially Fit tip of the week. This week's tip is 4 things you need to do to set up a proper budget. Before we get started, make sure you put fit in the comment section below to show the world that you're financially fit. Also, if you haven't gotten your Financially Fit merch, go to my website and get you a t-shirt or a hoodie, or even both. And I'll get into the 4 tips right after this. Okay, so the 4 tips are these. Number 1, know what your existing expenses are. You need to know what is being spent on bills and miscellaneous items. Without actual figures, your budget won't help much. You need to go through your account history and verify where your money is going. Once you do that, then you can see what can be adjusted and what can possibly be taken away. Number 2, identify your savings goals. Maybe you want to save 3 months of savings, or you want to have 6 months, or you might want to save $5,000 this year. Whatever it is, you need to have a goal in mind so that way you can figure out what you need to do to achieve it. Number 3, factor in expenses that don't usually pop up. Everybody has recurring bills, but it's those non-recurring ones that can throw off your budget. So factor in those items and set something aside for them. And lastly, number 4, don't allocate every last dollar of your paycheck. What you want to do is give yourself some wiggle room in case a bill increases, or you might need to spend more on groceries a particular month because you have family visiting. Whatever it is, just give yourself the ability to make adjustments. That's it for the Financially Fit tip of the week. Thanks for sticking around. I hope you apply what you have watched today. I will make a full-length video on this topic to go more in depth about each step, so stay tuned for that. If you haven't done so already, consider subscribing to the channel and hit the notification bell to get alerts when I upload a new video. Like and share with a friend, and remember, being financially fit is just as important as being physically fit. See you next week. Peace.